team captain number 2, Eliza Valdez.
Yung first game nga nila kahapon, yung first encounter nila, okay na sana yung first set ng UST pero siguro nawalan ng loob, tumuloy-tuloy. That's why it was a 3-setter.
But it was a very tight first set, 27-25, ah. Eliza Valdez scoring the first point para sa Lady Eagles. Tapos na hindi kayo masyadong nahirapan. Diba? And Jessie De Leon with the serve. If it's fun family pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. That doesn't go outside, so the point
Lang kami na. Inararo mo ng net at lahat no? Oh, and there she goes, De Leon. Pero that was picked up by UST.
And goes to Valdez who drops it. Laure manages to keep it alive. Free ball ang ibibigay ng UST. De Leon for the quick. Good defense from Pam Lastimosa. Valdez.
Oh! But Valdez getting that to go with a short stab.
Very fast attack from Eliza Valdez, and this ultra-fast spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. Talagang pinagdaan mo sa gilid in between line, lalong-lalo na now that Menes is at the front. Valdez blocked again by UST. Free ball ang ibibigay. Cabanos will
nice.
set up Tunay.
Oh.
Valdez once again, drop shot. Oh, UST too late to get to that.
Poor coverage on the side of UST.
Let's take a look at that attack. Eliza Valdez and decides to drop it just at the back
Yan yung
of those blockers.
partner, no? Yan yung risk if you give a triple block.
Yeah,
Yung,
nababawasan kasi yung coverage mo eh. Pam Lastimosa, he gave it out, and Carmela Tunay gives a free ball. Combination, Valdez is blocked.
Panay triple block ang binibigay ng UST, ha?
Oo. Off speed. Combination kay Valdez once again.
Saan ba pupunta to si Eliza?
Sumusulpot na lang pabigla-bigla eh.
Parang sa lahat ng posisyon, pinapaluan.
And dalawa lang ang attacker niya, pero yung
Yes,
variation at
correct.
dami ng options, parang tatlo.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Yun talaga ang gustong gawin nitong si Coach Tai. Na parang hindi tuloy nagiging liability yung position,
Right.
yung rotation na to, na dalawa lang ang spikers mo.
Kasi in most cases, yun yung nagiging rotation.
Correct. Tapos ang medyo dehado pa because you have a small setter.
Right, right. And that attack from Eliza Valdez goes straight into the net. So, ang point, mapupunta is the official outfitter of the Shakey's, Vili. Valdez. Cabanos picks it up. A free ball ang bibigay ni Carmela Tunay. Good defense mula
That's
kay
right.
Pam Lastimosa.
Oh, but Mel Hatunay, not enough juice or mishitting that ball.
And we're back here in the action. It's UST against Ateneo. At in the lead here is Ateneo de Manila University with 16-12. At with that attack from Eliza Valdez, nadagdagan na naman ang kalamangan nitong Lady Eagles.
Akala ko si Mark Espeo yung
Nareset mo dun eh.
Hindi katulad ng open. Bali-baluan mo.
Brought to you by Tita Mozi.
Talagang may 3 feet pa ako eh. 3 feet above the net.
Hindi kasi pero sometimes, these are some of the things na even minsan nga kahit player ka, you don't, you really take for granted yung mga ganyan eh. Basta alam
Sagot sa triple block. So, kailangan prepared ka rin doon. You have to counter.
In the meantime, is set number 2 underway. At first 2 points at nakuha nitong Ateneo. At last attack was care of Eliza Valdez. And this ultra-fast spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family.
Point
Okay,
on
yeah.
offense.
De Leon again for the serve. Combination si Valdez, kitang-kita.
Oh, wide open
Yes.
hole right there. Easily. Valdez taking that spot on the 6 points. Ngayon, medyo quiet pa, no? So
Yeah.
far. Except for that last, yun na nga, yung huling play.
Tunay, cross court. Drop
Oh.
shot, medyo kinapos.
Pero ayun na naman, UST should really be careful with those drop shots coming from Ateneo.
Out and out serving for UST. Good pick up from De Jesus. Back row attack from Valdez. So straight into
Into
the
the
net.
net.
So
Eto na.
malamangan, nalipat na dito sa UST. 12, serving 10.
UST.
Vericha once again for the serve.
At doon talaga dinadala ni
Oo.
Sara Berushaw yung depensa, yung kanyang
Defense serve,
serve.
that's
Oo,
right.
testing the defense. So pareho kung full front line ang USC at Ateneo. Sinong mamamayagpag? That is the question, and Eliza Valdez getting an ace. Much good.
Service good. Maraguinot. Block. Good coverage. Valdez at the back row. Not over.
Asa ng blockers sa kabila. Basa-basa.
Basta-basta din pag may time.
Tama. Ayay. And Valdez getting it through the triple block of UST. And again, si Eliza kasi pag yung sunod-sunod yung puntos niya, napapump up niya
Yeah.
yung team. Diba? And ang nangyayari sumusunod nadadala niya.
Lastimosa. Fontana will give it to Valdez, but this is going to be a free ball. De Leon.
Picked up by Maraguinot.
Drop shot. Rasmus there. Tunay. Off the block.
The blockers were already late for that. The blockers of UST.
So lahat sila were going to the right, and they forgot Eliza Valdez.
Yup, and credit Giselle Tan.
For that, this ultra fast spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Auto. Another good serve from Jesse De Leon. They go to Valdez. Oy, outside.
Too much muscle on that one.
And I think Coach Tai will now be calling a timeout para dito sa atin.
Yung trajectory niyan, pag sa ilalim mo tinamaan.
PLDT Ultra Fast LTE for happy family with speeds up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as $9.99. Eliza Valdez commits a service error. Libreng puntos para sa UST. 18 serving 12. Lare for the serve. Valdez off the block.
Once again, ayan si Coach Popo. Papaluan na si Stop stretching. You have to.
Carmela Tunay for the serve. Serve is good. It will go to Valdez who drops it.
And once again, yung defensive pattern.
Mga klaseng combination attacks. Kasi Ateneo has been doing that. At dun sila nahirapan. Drop shot mula kay Valdez. Buhay pa rin. Violation na yun. Double.
Violation
Yes.
na itatawag.
Serve just safely over. They go to Valdez.
And Valdez says, wait a minute.
The match is not over. Pero serving now for Ateneo. 19 serving 24. Good serve.
Still playable.
That is good. Walang pito referee. Tuloy ang laro. Another over received there. De Leon.
Basmo really everywhere in this game.
Buhay pa rin ang bola. We go to Valdez.
But Valdez sends it long.
But there is a net violation.
What a break.
UST.
What a break. Ano ba to, partner?
Kinakabahan ka na naman.
Grabe, ang laro ito.
They go to Lastimosa.
Still okay.
They go to Tunay this time. Good coverage from De Leon. Lastimosa. Buhay pa rin. They go to Valdez.
Oh, and Eliza Valdez! Woo!
And that is what you will expect when Eliza Valdez says, give it to me. Both of these teams really deserve it. And they will go to Lastimosa. Good pick up from Hekeliana. Valdez.
Oh,
Rasmo with an
Free ball.
excellent dig. Valdez once again, drop shot.
oh, and Valdez! 3 consecutive points. Well,
You would expect.
tama ka
really
dyan
go
eh.
to Valdez.
And si Gisela, I really thought kasi mas malapit si Bea sa kanya na ibibigay na
Yeah.